Hi, I'm Dorian Horsey, an attorney at Minc Law. At our firm, we pride ourselves on transparency and trust. We do this so that potential clients like you understand exactly what you are paying for when you hire us to resolve your online content removal issue. In our increasingly digital world, damaging content published on the internet can have an incredibly negative effect on a person's day-to-day life. We have seen the aftermath of how negative online content can destroy personal lives and stall professional opportunities for many clients who engage our firm to seek its removal. By the end of this video, you will learn more about Minc Law's online content removal service to help you decide if we are the right fit for you and your content-related issue. Damaging content on the internet can take many forms and requires unique solutions and services to address removal. Here at Minc Law, we commonly deal with helping clients remove outdated or unflattering news coverage, unwanted images or videos, negative consumer reviews and complaints, disparaging social media posts, embarrassing court or public records, explicit content, and a variety of other types of unwanted content from the internet that can take many forms. We offer a variety of different services to clients to address these situations, and the list is always growing. Some of these services include contacting platforms to request removal, sending DMCA takedown notices to remove copyrighted content, troubleshooting to determine other creative ways to seek removal, and sending a variety of correspondence ranging from demand letters to requests for dialogue to identify the best resolutions to difficult problems. In addition to these services, we also zealously represent our clients through litigation when the situation warrants that approach. You are a great fit for our services if your problem has reached a point that it has become a major disruption in your personal or professional life, and your main goal is to have the damaging, unwanted, or outdated content removed from the internet. If that is the case, then we are prepared to handle your issues. That said, not everyone is a great fit for online content removal service. If the content at issue is not online, has not caused you any harm, or if addressing it is not a financial priority, then investing in online content removal services may not be for you. Additionally, in some situations, seeking removal of online content may make the situation worse instead of better, depending on where it is published. In those instances, it is important to speak with an experienced attorney to discuss your options. The reality is, if you are watching this video and trying to decide what to do about harmful online content, you may be a good candidate for online content removal services. Generally, if the content is causing you harm, we recommend seeking assistance to remove it as soon as possible. This is because the longer it stays out there, the more damage it can potentially cause to you or to your business's reputation. Additionally, with the passage of time, there may be greater difficulty in finding a contact point on some platforms to address removal. For example, many blogs or smaller websites can sometimes become inactive at some point if the owner chooses to stop publishing content. Approaching them shortly after harmful content is published, while they are still likely to be responsive to contact attempts, can be easier than trying to initiate a dialogue concerning removal years later. Also, keep in mind, if you are considering litigation options in conjunction with online content removal, it is very important to speak with an experienced attorney as soon as possible so that you preserve your legal rights as well. An exception to this recommendation is content published on news platforms. Typically, we advise clients to wait until an article is no longer newsworthy before attempting removal of news stories, if the basis for the request is not an error in the reporting. The length of time depends on the story, but we have found that many publications are more open to removal requests after a year. If the story is about a legal matter or an investigation, it is important to wait until the underlying case has been resolved. If it is possible to get the case expunged or sealed, that can also be helpful before contacting news outlets to request removal. There are countless reasons why you might need to purchase online content removal services, including the following. Your business is suffering as a result of online attacks or negative content. You are having difficulty finding employment or business opportunities, or have concerns about future employment due to online content. There's a damaging news article from your past that is posted online and easily accessible in search engines when your name is searched. You've been falsely accused of engaging in inappropriate relationships or sexual misconduct by someone online or in social media. You're concerned about the presence of intimate sexual images or videos of you posted on pornography or dating websites. You've been falsely accused of deceptive or illegal business practices or discrimination. Most people search your name on the internet when they first meet you. Potential employers frequently conduct a media search on the internet as a part of background checks on potential candidates. Damaging online content can prevent you from getting a job. It can get you fired from your job, and can prevent you from maintaining relationships if it is not addressed. At Minc Law, we offer two primary types of services and pricing that we charge for all of our firm's legal engagements. They are hourly non-litigation services and hourly litigation services. We bill non-litigation matters hourly and will generally require a minimum retainer of $3,500 to $5,000 to get started, but total costs can vary depending on the work involved. As a good rule of thumb, if there is more content to address or the issues involved are more complicated, the initial retainer requested may be higher. We bill litigation services hourly and generally require a minimum retainer of $7,500 for any litigation matter. Average total case costs generally fall between $14,000 to $16,000 in many situations. Prices can vary for each service based on a range of factors, such as how much content you want removed, the nature of the content you want removed, how many websites the content is posted on, and how difficult it is to communicate with the platform where it is published. At Minc Law, we are generally able to give a reasonable cost estimate at most consults. We review each matter individually and discuss budget expectations based on the specific facts of each matter. We strive to make sure that we are being as cost-effective as possible. If you are an individual or business facing one of the content issues mentioned in this video and you feel you are a good fit for our services, the first step is to contact us by filling out our contact form, speaking with a chat representative, or calling this number. You will first speak to our dedicated team of paralegals who can answer any questions and determine if we are the right fit for your matter. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Doreen Horsey, and if you found this information helpful and would like to reach out, my colleagues and I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for watching.